How to fix Instagram messages unavailable problem? First of all, you need to make sure that your application is up to date. To check, launch Play Store or App Store. Using search icon and the bar, type in Instagram. If there is any update available, you simply need to tap update button and update it to the latest version. Outdated version of Instagram might be the reason why you are facing this kind of issues on Instagram. So it will take a few time. You need to wait and update your app to the latest version and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, go ahead and long press on Instagram icon and tap I button. Here, you will see storage uses. Select that and tap clear cache. The next step you need to follow if this didn't work is restarting your device. Hold power button and swipe towards restart. Restarting can solve different kinds of glitches occurring on your Instagram app. And by following this step, your Instagram message unavailable problems should be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.